Ready?
Also,
Are you ready?
no basic. I'll even do 2 whole rounds so you can see how I can continue. Now you know in your own dancing, fellas, depending who you're dancing with or how if I'm remembering or how the girl's feeling with me, you have to plug in basics. You know that. Okay, you just have to. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. If your mind is right,
Yeah,
I don't have to do it again. Now, it's possible to do no basics in the beginning. That's hard. You have to get away from each other a little bit. You already have to have your foot back behind you, and you have to be ready to go. 1, 2. Does everybody kind of understands kind of? That's hard, you know, at this level. But you know, sometimes at an advanced level, I'll take a basic away. Sometimes. Thank you.